Hi friends, today I will show you how to make your sunset photoshoot looks amazing creating a preset. Here is shown the before and after effect of the preset, isn't it looks great. Preset can be downloaded for free, just keep attention while watching. In the upper right corner of the video there you will get the password that is divided into two parts. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe for getting more amazing presets like this. So let's begin.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
That's it. Now we will see how the preset look on other photos as well. If you like the preset, don't forget to download it and give a thumbs up to the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more presets tutorial. Hope to see you again. Goodbye.